This is the Koala gang, and we're replacing an apartment building main water shutoff.
That's a lot of water coming from someplace that shouldn't be. Get out of the way. Don't fall in.
Can you blow this up, please?
Yeah. Is it there?
Yeah.
Pumped up?
Yeah.
I love my boots. I love my boots. That was actually a very beautiful cut.
Really?
Not too bad. You got the file?
I do have the file.
It needs to be like super clean, super dry. Because once we pop this cork, we got one shot.
Do not miss this chance to blow. Your opportunity
Comes once in a lifetime.
Yeah.
Is there plenty of room? You're gonna put that on sideways and then you're gonna roll it up all the way. So that needs to be super clean. Okay, so hand me that. Hand that to me. Sorry, kids.
You did it live.
I don't think we got it. It's already coming off. Alright kids, well that didn't work the first time, so we're gonna have to sit here and pump water. Might have worked if it wasn't pressurized, like if it was sewer. Yeah. You got dirt on it? Get it off. Get everything nice and pretty. Clean all of this stuff off. Get him off. Thread on your adapters. And build. I don't know, but whatever it was, it's gone now. Yeah. Now just go. Hammers. There's on
Yank
it.
it and crank it. What?
Make sure you stop where it's sitting upright.
I still got another rotation.
How tight is that? What you do is you look at the threads.
3.
Leave it. Clean the dirt out from underneath.
Yeah.
He still needs to turn on the water, and we still need to do what?
Oh yeah.
Purge. So that's perfect. Are we crimping?
Not that. We're crimping the 3/4.
That's at an angle.
Don't crimp anything.
Don't crimp anything until you are done. Bro, it's been following me like
it is a
all
V.
day. Where it's supposed to be, the teeth. Cut it nice and decent.
Nice and decent.
Bring it towards you. Alright. Now how long is that? It's about 6.
This plus an inch. I do love tunnels, but this is fun.
190 down, 190 over. Go find T-Lo.
More cowbell. Oh god. I think she's good.
We'll put the dirt back and insulate all of this, and then we're out of here.